So how did the events unfold leading to Douglas Chambers' murder? Here's a reminder in this next report.
The deceased JUTC chairman Douglas Chambers was not a popular figure among the workers because of his perceived hardened approach to managing the affairs of the bus company as chair. It was made worse in early June 2008 when it was announced that more than 200 staff would be made redundant. The redundancies were to take effect on June 30, 2008, 3 weeks before protests at the Spanish Town depot. All this was unfolding as Mr. Chambers sat outside observing the developments. News also emerged then that he'd been receiving death threats. It was also revealed that he had not been giving in to extortion demands by Spanish Town gangsters. Fast forward to June 27, 2008, Mr. Chambers, who'd been in a union meeting at the facility, took a break reportedly to purchase cigarettes outside. That's when gunmen struck, killing him near the main gate. Only a handful of workers showed up at a vigil held at the JUTC's Portmore depot.
We are very disturbed at this moment.
We know we'll sadly miss him.